In this video, you want to evaluate the following limit. Limit as n approaches infinity, integral of 0 to 1 of ln of x over the nth root of x dx. Let's first rewrite the nth root of x as just x to the negative 1 over n power times natural log x. So now we can focus on the integral. We'll say the I sub n is equal to the integral from 0 to 1 of x to the negative 1 over n times natural log x dx. To solve this, we want to use integration by parts. So if you're wondering what to use for u, we're going to use the acronym limₙ. L stands for log. So obviously we have a log here, so that's going to be our u. And then everything else is going to be dv. So that's going to be x to negative 1 over n dx for dv. The derivative of natural log x is 1 over x dx. And then we have to find the antiderivative of x to the negative 1 over n, which that's just going to be using the power rule. We're going to add 1 in the exponent and divide by the new exponent. So that's just x to the 1 minus 1 over n over 1 minus 1 over n. And here I'm going to do on the side 1 minus 1 over n is just n over n minus 1 over n, which is n minus 1 over n. And so when I have 1 over this, you just do the reciprocal. That's n over n minus 1. And so that's going to be the in front of the x, and that's going to be the exponent. So now we multiply uv minus integral v du. uv is n over n minus 1 times x to the n minus 1 over n times natural log x, and then evaluating it from 0 to 1 minus integral from 0 to 1 n over n minus 1 times x to the n minus 1 over n times 1 over x dx. And so now we want to evaluate the boundary terms. At x equals 1, we have natural log 1 is 0, so that's good. So this whole thing becomes 0. And then we want to approach 0 from the right because we have a natural log function. And remember that the natural log looks something like that. It's defined for x being greater than 0. So we must approach 0 from the right. That's what we have over here. So to do that, we want to use L'Hopital's rule. So the term x raised to n minus 1 over n times natural log x approaches 0 when n is greater than 1. Therefore, the first term vanishes. So this just, when you plug in x equals 0, it's just 0. And so you just need to focus on natural log x. But that's going to go wherever, and 0 times that is just 0. So now what remains is negative n over n minus 1, integral from 0 to 1, x to the n minus 1 over n minus 1 dx, which n minus 1 over n minus 1 is just negative 1 over n, because the 1s are going to cancel. Integrating that, and then we just plug in 1 minus plug in 0, do a bunch of simplification. Well, when I plug in 1, we have this, which is what we have over here. And when we plug in 0, everything is gone. So this is what's left. And now we need to take the limit of this as n approaches infinity. You can get fancy by dividing everything by n. But basically, the whole story is this goes, the inside goes to 1. So you have negative 1 squared becomes negative 1. But if you want, you can divide by n, and then you'll see that this thing goes to 0. And then 1 squared is 1, but then we have to multiply by the negative to get negative 1. So the final answer is going to be negative 1.